Greetings from Shib once again, everyone. With Shoshi's recent revelation of his identity, Shiba Inu is about to take a steep turn. Shib update: Drew, a Shiba Inu owner and Twitter user, ignited rumors in January 2022 regarding a message shared by Shoshi Kusama, the lead developer for Shiba Inus. With the suggestion of an impending new alliance, Shoshi dropped a hint for the SHIB community. #Sharam. In a somewhat mysterious statement, Shoshi stated that he had discussed with his mentor and that by the end of 2022, he will no longer be able to remain invisible. He concluded by noting that the real fun starts once everything is disclosed. We'll discuss about Shoshi's recent identity revelation and Shiba's impending parabolic flight in this video. Shib News: to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inus, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give the channel a thumbs up. Let's get the video started right away. If this is to be taken literally, Shoshi is about to divulge his identity. But revealing his identity goes against what is expected, leading onlookers to read between the lines. While implying that Sharam might be launched soon after the new year, Shoshi stated on Christmas Eve that it will arrive very soon. Shiba Inu must advance beyond its status as a meme coin in order to become a viable cryptocurrency. Sharam is an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. This includes the launch of the $0.01 PEG Shay stablecoin as well as the ability to run gaming and metaverse apps. A number of articles on Shiba the Metaverse, particularly concept art reveals of different areas within the virtual world, have been featured in recent blog postings about the Shiba ecosystem. The SHIB cryptocurrency has lost 76% of its value year to date, which is comparable to the losses experienced by Ethereum and Bitcoin. The founder of Shiba Inu, Rashi, went nameless on Monday and removed all of his articles and social media posts, raising questions about the project's future. He didn't make any public remarks about it, and his Twitter account is still idle. Lead developer Shoshi shared his opinions in a medium reaction to Rashi's apparent abandonment of Shiba Inu. Shoshi stated in the post that he was unaware of Rashi's disappearance. To allay worries, he did, however, affirm that he will take over the project and realize Rashi's goal, which includes establishing Shiba meetups and eventually a Shiba Con, as well as implementing Shiba, Leash, Bone, Treat, shibaswap, Shay, and Sharam. Over the past day, the price of the Shiba Inu has shifted south on its chart. Over the same period, SHIB had a 3% increase in value. The meme currency did not see advances either in the last week, dropping a few support lines in addition to over 6% of its market value. Now that SHIB has established a pattern, there's a chance that the coin will see an upside breakout during the next day. Bearish indicators are still present in the technical outlook. For the most part of this month, sellers have maintained control over the price on the daily chart. In order for SHIB to continue its upward breakout, buyers must still step in. Based on technical analysis, it appears that the coin may drop on its chart for the next few trading sessions before rising again. The idea that there are still not enough buyers in the market is supported by the declining trading volume of SHIB. Currently, SHIB is trading 90% below its peak, which was reached by the coin over a year ago. The price of the Shiba Inu dropped throughout the previous week from the $0.0082 support line. Shiba Inu is anticipated to drop below the $0.00008 mark as long as the buying sentiment is weak. It has created a symmetric triangular pattern, confirming the possibility of a breakout and a potential rally for the coin. The meme currency is anticipated to peak around $0.000076, which was the initial local support. The Shiba Inu price will rise to $0.000824 following the breakthrough, and if that resistance is broken, the currency will reach $0.00086. The reduction in Shiba Inu transaction volume during the previous session accounts for the low level of purchasers. SHIB spent November and December in the seller's dominance zone. Following the current price decline, the relative index was below the 40-point threshold. At the time of publication, the indicator's reading showed that there were more selling than purchasers, which was bearish. Similarly, SHIB moved below the 20 SMA line, indicating that sellers were driving the market's price momentum, indicating a lack of demand. The meme currency will cross over the 20 SMA if SHIB stays above $0.00008. Additional technical indicators have also hinted at a potential decline in the value of SHIB on its chart. The asset's trend and price direction are displayed by the parabolic SAR. The price is continuing its downward trend, as shown by the indicator being above the price candlesticks. Price momentum and trend reversals are displayed by the moving average convergence-divergence. The MACD histograms remained red, indicating that traders should sell since it could lead to an increase in the price of SHIB in 2022. In general, the Bitcoin market wasn't the best. In addition to a protracted bear market that kept cryptocurrency prices low, a number of other factors also occurred. Right now, the majority of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and other altcoins, are trading between 60% and 90% less than their all-time highs. In this case, Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, is not an exception. Who the enigmatic person hiding behind the name is currently unknown. However, a screenshot with some intriguing data was posted in one of the most recent posts from Twitter user Shib BPP. The screenshot displays a message from KZ on Discord, in which he says he spoke with his mentor and they both agree that being invisible will not be viable by the end of the year. The message was dated January 21, 2022, and in a few days, 2022 will come to an end. He added that you don't just align and disrupt an industry and stay invisible, and then the real fun begins. Whether Kusama keeps his pledge and tells everyone who he really is, only time will tell. Shiba Inu, despite being known at first as a meme coin, is quickly evolving into a value-based blockchain. It can only accomplish this goal, though, by reducing its reliance on antiquated technologies like Ethereum. This explains why Shiba Inu, the network's Layer 2 blockchain solution, was developed. Since Shibarium launched, the majority of SHIB transactions that previously occurred on Ethereum will now occur on Shibarium. Considering that the main complaints against Ethereum are its high gas costs and poor throughput, this is a huge improvement. These considerations have caused a considerable slowdown in the expansion of the SHIB network, since Shiba Inu is based on Ethereum. Ethereum recently moved to a proof-of-work network, but its transaction speed hasn't increased much yet. Thus, one of Shibarium's goals is to increase Shiba Inu's scalability by utilizing Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution. Shibarium provides a number of other advantages in addition to lower fees and quicker transaction processing times. It is important to remember, nevertheless, that transaction fees will be extremely low after Shibarium launches. Furthermore, the majority of these costs are associated with burning SHIB tokens. According to the network team's knowledge, Shibarium will provide a burning method for SHIB tokens. Reducing the amount of SHIB in circulation is one method to make it a utility token. Since the network's inception, more than 40% of SHIB tokens have been burned, according to burn data. Its use as a utility token is still hindered by the excessive amount of tokens in circulation. Since dApps are one of the most popular topics of conversation in the cryptocurrency world, SHIB developers want to make sure that Shibarium is one of the most sought-after networks for dApp creation. Shibarium's development team thinks it can be actively involved in the metaverse. Proponents of the metaverse refer to it as a new kind of online interaction and the future of the digital world. The lead developer for SHIB, who wishes to remain nameless, Kusama, said that the debut of Shibarium will occur shortly, but he would not provide a precise release date. Kusama has been saying for months that the launch of Shibarium will occur shortly. This is not the first time he has made this claim. The introduction of Shibarium is expected to increase the value of SHIB by expanding the token's applications. Because SHIB offers faster and more economical transaction processing speeds, it will find greater applications. Therefore, after Shibarium starts, the SHIB community anticipates that SHIB will trade at 1 cent. According to a related development, Sherm's performance is currently being tested, which is why the highly anticipated Shiba Eternity game was released early last month by SHIB creators. The intention of the anonymous creator of SHIB, Rashi, was for owners of bone whales to have no advantage over other bone holders. That notion, however, was out of the question because bone was the shibaswap prize token. Furthermore, according to the information currently available on the network's website, bone will serve as Sherm's main utility token. As the utility token of SHIB, bone allows its holders can cast votes on project advancement. There is a 230 million coin cap on its supply. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.